Go home happy with the 2021 Nissan Murano. Make even the most ordinary task a pleasure in this stylish Murano. This well-equipped midsize crossover delivers an exceptionally refined interior with plenty of cargo space and a smooth, relaxing ride that leaves you relaxed and recharged. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, power passenger seat, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Make the most of every journey when you travel in the comfort of this well-designed Murano. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.